So how's your day going? Wait, why are you here? Have you really been listening to this the whole time? It's like a minute already. It's been like a minute. You've just been listening to vacuum noises for a minute? Why? Why? Well, I mean, I guess I'll just let you get back to that. Um, Enjoy your vacuum noises. Vroom. Um, it were those good vacuum noises? Wait, no, I think it was a little too loud. Let's try this. Boom. Um, yep. Anyways, enjoy your vacuum noises. Here you go. Boom. Wait, you're actually still here? Why? I don't know if I should be more like impressed or concerned. Like actually, get a life. You're just watching a video about like me standing next to a vacuum. Why? Why? Actually, why? This is like concerning. Why? Oh, did you see that? He moved. There's something interesting happened. Oh my gosh! Eh, 8 out of 10.